Alright YouTubers, another product here for us to unbox and check out and give it a test. So I come home today and package has been delivered and I'm excited. So I have a Lexus LS430 and I want some better floor mats for the vehicle. And this company here was nice enough to send us these to try out. And my vehicle has like a tan or beige color interior. So I wanted to go with something a little bit darker, like color black, with a little bit of beige color in it. And this company here, they claim they custom make these to order. I believe these are $130, and they come pretty well boxed up here, as in, I can't believe they fit this inside that little package. So these are actually like floor liners, and they're going to cover all of the carpeted area. So you fold them up, and as you can see here, these are going to be the rears. I can tell already. Wow. It's actually pretty interesting how it's going to work. So that's going to be the center hump on the floor. Hopefully you guys can see this all right. That's going to be the center hump. These are going to fold in like so. This is going to fold up on the rear carpet. This is actually pretty impressive. So if I had to describe this material, it feels like leather. I mean, it looks like it's all actually stitched, like threaded, stitched. And I don't know if you guys can see this up close here. I mean, it feels almost like a leather seat in a car. Each one of these are actually stitched. So far, I'm impressed. You can tell this is the rears. Let's see if we can get the fronts. Oh, look, the front actually has a like an actual kick plate, like a heel plate from your feet. Same thing. Let me move these out of the way. This is going to be the driver's, so it's going to, once it's in the vehicle, it's going to be like that. This could be up in the air. This will be for your dead pedal. I'm not so sure about this kick plate. It's just a hard piece of plastic. But I understand it's going to keep it from wearing through. This will be the passenger side. So it probably goes this way. All right, well, give me a minute and I'll go put these in the car and we'll go out and take a look. I quickly wanted to show you a few of the 27 different color combinations. This is amazing, all the colors they come in. Also, when I ordered mine, it said may take up to a month for them to build them, make them and ship them and them arriving. Mine showed up in 9 days, so I was impressed. Also, you can pick the color and the stitching. So, for example, when it comes to this black here with the blue stitching, you can get red stitching, green stitching, yellow stitching, any color combination. Unbelievable. Here is a quick before. See how it's got tan factory floor mats in there. It's hard to keep clean. I'm sorry, tan or beige. And here they are installed. Color seems to match and look really good. The best part is these floor mats come in several different color options that are unbelievable. Like they've got red, like grays. I'll put a link in the description below. But fresh out of the package, even though they've been like folded up, fit seems pretty great. I'm sure a few days, some of these wrinkles will come out from the heat and the sun. So far, I'm impressed. The best part is it covers pretty much all your carpet, so it's going to keep it super clean. There's a little cutout around the brake pedal there, but I mean, it folds in behind the seats. Gets that far. I'm impressed. Right now I give it a thumbs up. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description below. Hopefully this helps you guys decide on a nice set of floor liners or floor mats for your Lexus.